Right here filming. Used to stay in this house. Ngayon naging junkyard na lang. Okay, this is Caron Street. Harap apartment. Nasira na o giniba yung apartment sa harap ng ano. Oh, si Kuya Boy uli. Kuya Boy, oh. Natanggap niyo ba yung ano? This is Kuya Boy's home here. Ah, here's the street. Okay. See, I grown up here, Stevie. When I was little. Still me and Boy. Oh, si Kuya Boy, oh. Mabata. Mabata si Kuya Boy. Gusto niyo, sa padala sa States yan. Natanggap mo yung box. Ilang box natanggap niyo? Pati flat screen TV. Oh, tatlo. That's Kuya Boy. See? See that? He used to take care of us when we were little boy. See? Our hero when we were a young kid. He used to feed us. Support the family. And this is Steve. Alright. Ayos yan, ah. Ito yung ano, nasira, oh. Giniba na yung ano, apartment na dati. Wala na, dead call na. Ah. Kumusta, ate? Kumusta? Ayos ba?